Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own wit.
Hey guys, my name is Brittany, aka Red Smiley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Black Friday mall haul. I kind of splurged a little bit. Black Friday shopping this past weekend, and I just want to show you guys what I got. So stay tuned. Actually, before we begin this video, I just want to show you guys like my makeup. I did a really natural, simple look, and if you guys want to see a video on how I do my makeup, let me know down in the comments. I don't know if you guys really like my makeup videos, so I don't want to put stuff out that you guys don't like. So let me know down in the comments. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off this video by showing you the makeup and electronic portion. I figured everyone's probably going to want to stay for the clothing haul, so I'll put like the actual time. I'll put the actual time right here for you guys. I'm probably like 5 minutes into the video, but this is going to be like the makeup and electronics that I picked up on Black Friday. So this first item is my Apple Watch. I picked up the Apple Watch Series 4, the 44mm. I'm gonna get my box. It comes in this lovely box that says Apple. Well, it has the Apple symbol. You guys probably can't see that. Right in there it says Apple Watch, and then you just, on the back it tells you what type of watch you got and the color with all the barcodes. I'm gonna do a more in-depth video on my Apple Watch in an upcoming video, but this is just like what it comes with. This is your bands and this is your actual watch, which I have on. I'm still not completely sold on the whole Apple Watch thing yet, but I'm giving it a try, and if I end up not liking it, I'm just gonna return it. I also got, I'm actually gonna keep that a secret just in case she watches my videos, but some of my best friends and I are like doing a Secret Santa type thing, and I ended up getting one of my friends something from Pink. I'm not gonna completely show it just in case she watches the video, but I did end up shopping at Pink. I ended up spending like $80–90 at Pink. They did have a couple sales that are still currently running. I am a card member, so I do get more sales, but there are some good sales going on right now. Then I went to Ulta, and I re-upped on a couple things, but I did get a couple new things that I will be showing in videos later on. Some new things that I got are the Warriors by Juiva palette. It looks like this on the inside. It's super pretty. I really like it. I can't wait to like crack it open and actually use it. And then I got the Glow Kit Sun Dipped Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is what it looked like. They're running a sale on the ABH Glow Kits. It was $24 instead of the usual $40. And then, like I said, I re-upped on some things, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define in C13, and then the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I probably shouldn't have done that mid-video. Ow. Just hit myself in the face. But I ended up spending like $67 at Ulta. Wasn't trying to, wasn't planning on it, but that's what it ended up being. But I did end up going to Target, and I just got, well, I got wine glasses for my roommates, and then I got these jumbo stickers. They're like the gift tag. It says like to and from. It has like different, it was $1 in that dollar section. Like here's one. What looks like, you guys can see that? See? Yeah. So that's what one looks like. I think these are really cute, and I'm gonna use them for my gifts this year. And my last store that I went to was Morphe. I love the fact that Tampa just got a Morphe store. I've never been like a huge makeup person, but I'm trying to become like more into makeup. So yeah. I ended up getting the 39A Dare to Create palette. for $29. It looks like this. I feel like this is a great palette for like new makeup artists and like beginning makeup people because it has a lot of colors in it. Very neutral colors and very like bold colors. So I feel like you can go either direction. You can play with new colors or try like, you can play with new colors or like stick to your old basics and do neutrals. I also got a lot of the stuff actually is in here because it's in my bathroom because I've been using it. But I got the highlight and contour beauty sponge for $5. I got two eyeliner pencils and one in the color it's not focusing, but I got it one in the color Pearly and one in the color Dark Room. I'm currently wearing the Dark Room one on my bottom eyelid right now. And I also got some brushes. I got 3 brushes. I got the infamous Y6 brush. I've been using it and so far I'm in love with it. It's like my favorite brush to use. I'm planning on going to get more because I feel like I've been abusing this one already. I also got a gel liner brush, and an angled brush. And I also and then I got 2 pairs of lashes. One of them I'm wearing right now. These are the eye traction lashes. But that's kind of it for the makeup and electronics portion of this haul. If you guys want to see like a box opening and like how I use my Apple Watch and pros and cons of the Apple Watch Series 4, let me know. I will definitely do that video. I probably will still do that video even if no one actually tells me, because I feel like I wish there were some things that I wanted to know before I got the Apple Watch that no one was really answering the questions. So yeah, but stay tuned for the next part of this video where I try on some great outfits that I got on Black Friday. This first item is this pair of jeans from American Eagle. They are distressed all over, even in the pocket and all down the legs. I got these in the regular length and that's fine. I feel like I could have gotten them in the long length just for the style that I prefer to wear my jeans in. They do not hide the belly line, but they don't accentuate it completely on my butt. I feel like these jeans are kind of my new favorite. These right now, they're really comfortable and really stretchy. So I also ended up getting another pair of jeans from American Eagle in a size 20. They are the mom jeans. They look like this. And they have distressing on the knees. I got them in the short, which was dumb of me because I'm not short. I'm 5'6", but they don't fit. They don't have any stretch to them whatsoever. They're really like, well, they have a slight stretch, but they just don't fit me in the stomach area. They make it look really awkward. I've been really trying to find some mom jeans in plus size without like thrifting, but the journey still continues, and I'll keep you guys posted on if I ever find mom jeans. These just didn't work for me, but they might work for someone else. Maybe if you have a smaller size than me or a smaller stomach than me, because that's where they were kind of tight, is my stomach and my thighs. So the next item I got from American Eagle was this cardigan. It's this nice rusty orange color. It's very cozy and very comfortable. It does come with pockets if that's something you guys are interested in. I got it for $30 because they were having a 40% off sale in the whole store, excluding clearance. So my jeans were also $30, but they were on clearance, so they were already on sale. This cardigan is so comfortable and so cozy. I really do like it. I like the material, the knit material on it. It's still thick, but not too thick that you'll be super hot. I got this in a large, extra large, like a large extra large size, but I really do like this cardigan. I feel like really good in it. It's really comfortable. So this next item is this skirt that I got from Forever 21 in a 1X. I feel like it's really cute. It's just a little short for me, but nonetheless I feel like it's really cute. I also do have it pulled up really high. Let me lower you guys. So I currently do have it pulled up really high. My belly button's right here and I have it sitting right here. But it's just this skirt with this black and white plaid type of pattern, It doesn't have any stretch, but it's very cute. So this next item is another skirt from Forever 21. It was also $17.90. This time I just got this one in a 2X. It's this nice soft material that does stretch. This one does stretch unlike the other. It does have a functional zipper. That's my kind of pet peeve with it, is that this zipper is fully functional and it does like to come down very easily. So I feel like that can become a problem if you're not careful. This is the skirt. So these are my last pair of bottoms. These are also from Forever 21. I got these in a 1X as well. They're super stretchy. They come with that sort of astro material, that astro pattern. So the booty looks like. They do come all the way to my ankles, if you guys can see that. It is a very stretchy material. I have worn it. It doesn't cover the belly line, which is slightly unattractive, but I feel like with the right shapewear or the right positioning, no one would ever be able to tell. With the right shapewear and right positioning, I feel like no one would ever be able to tell. So my last Forever 21 item is this sweater. I'm actually gonna lower it so you guys can see it better. But it's just a super big sweater. I got it in a 2X because I wanted it to be bigger. I don't have a bra on, so if anything's looking funky, because the girls aren't like right here. But it's a super cozy knit sweater in this like green color. It's very nice and very soft. They are currently running a sale, 40% off on all of their sweaters. And I just really like this one. It's very comfortable. I feel like it's nice for the winter season because it is also very warm at the same time. But that is the end of the clothing part of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what content you guys want to see. I don't really trying to gauge what you guys want to see on my channel, because I'm willing to do whatever you guys want to be always for you guys. I hope you guys also like the like makeup and electronics portion of the video that came before this. All of this was all bought like on Black Friday or near Black Friday. Yeah, I spent a lot of money. I spent a lot of money, and if you hear me, it sounds like I'm quieter. It's because my roommates are all home and I don't want them all to hear me. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. My name is Brittany, aka Brit Smiley, and stay beautiful.
Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done.